Hello, good morning students. How are you? I hope you enjoyed your summer holidays. I'm your Anjana ma'am back here with your maths lessons. Students, let me give you a small information. You are going to have your first unit test this month. Your math syllabus is chapter 1 and 2. I hope you have practiced a lot. Do keep practicing every day. Now let me go back to my studies. Chapter 3. Last time we have done addition and subtraction together. Today we will solve some word problems based on addition and subtraction, real life applications. Students, take out your maths classwork copy, write down today's date, then write exercise 3.5 page number 43. Real life application. Question number 1 has been solved in the book, so I am starting with question number 2. Find the sum of 3079 and 4732 and subtract 1968 from the total. What you have to do? You have to first add the two numbers and then subtract the third number. So step 1. 3079 plus 4732. 9 plus 2, 11 ones. Write 1 in the ones column, carry over 1 to the tens column. 1 plus 7, 8 plus 3, 11 tens. Write 1 in the ones column, carry 1 to the hundreds column. 1 plus 7, 8. Write 8 in the hundreds column. 3 plus 4, 7. Write 7 in the thousands column. So after adding the two numbers, the sum you are getting, from that you subtract the other number, 1968. So 7811 minus 1968. Now 1 is less than 8, so you borrow 1 from the tens column. 1 10 becomes 10 ones. 10 plus 1, 11 ones. 11 minus 8 is 3 ones. Now you have taken 1 10, so it becomes 0 10. 0 is less than 6, so you borrow 1 from the hundreds column. So this becomes 700 and 100 becomes 10 tens. Now 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 tens. Now 7 is less than 9. So borrow 1 from the thousands column. 7 minus 1 is 6000. And 1000 change it to 10 hundreds. 10 plus 7, 1700. 17 minus 9 is 800. Right? 8 in the hundreds column. And 6 minus 1, 5. Your answer is 5843. Got it? First you add the two numbers, then you subtract the third number. Now look at question number 3. Gopal had to travel 3850 km. He travelled 460 km by bus, 1286 km by train and the rest by car. What distance did he travel by car? What you have to do? First you have to add these two numbers. 460 plus 1286. Then from the total you have to subtract it. Then you will get the distance travelled by car. Did you understand, students? Look at the solution. Total distance travelled by Gopal 3850 km. Distance travelled by bus 460 km. Distance travelled by train 1286 km. Therefore, distance travelled by bus plus train, you have to add the two. So 6 plus 0 is 6, 8 plus 6, 14. Write 4 here, carry over 1 to the hundreds place, 1 plus 4, 5, plus 2, 7 and bring down 1000. So distance travelled by bus plus train is 1746 km. And distance travelled by car will be total distance travelled 3850 minus distance travelled by bus plus train, that is 1746. So you have to subtract it. So 0 is less than 6, so you borrow 110. 510 becomes 410 and 110 becomes 10 ones. 10 minus 6, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 2104 km. Therefore, write the answer. Gopal travelled 2104 km by car. Let me repeat. Total distance travelled by Gopal 3850 km. Distance travelled by bus 460 km. Distance travelled by train 1286 km. Therefore, distance travelled by bus plus train 1746 km. And distance travelled by car is 3850 minus 1746, that is 2104 km. Write the answer. Gopal travelled 2104 km by car. I hope you have done it. Now look at question number 4. In a forest, there were 1728 pine trees and 2486 other kinds of trees. So total number of trees, we have to add the 2 trees. And 506 trees fell in a storm. So how many trees remain standing? First we will add, then we will subtract. Look at the solution. Number of pine trees 1728. Number of other trees 2486. Therefore total number of trees, you add this 2. 8 plus 6 14. Write 4, carry over 1. 2 plus 1 3 plus 8 11. Write 1 here, carry over 1. 1 plus 7 8 plus 4 12. Write 2 here, carry over 1. 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4. So 4214 trees were there in the forest. Out of that, number of trees fell in a storm 506. Therefore, number of trees remaining, total trees, this is total trees minus trees fell. This is minus trees fell. So 4214 minus 506. Now you subtract it. 4 is less than 6. So borrow 1 from the tens column. 1 10 becomes 0 10. Now you take change 1 10 to 10 ones. 10 plus 4 14. 14 minus 6 is 8 ones. And 0 minus 0 is 0. Now 2 is less than 5. So borrow 1 from the thousands column. 4000 becomes 3000 and 1000 change it to 10 hundreds. 10 plus 2 1200 minus 5 is 700. And 3 bring it down. So your answer is 3708 trees remain standing in the forest. Let me repeat. Number of pine trees 1728. Number of other trees 2486. Therefore total number of trees 4214. Number of trees fell in a storm 506. Therefore number of trees remaining equal to total trees minus trees fell. That is 4214 minus 506. That is 3708. Answer: 3708 trees remain standing in the forest. I hope this much is clear to you. So students, this is so much for today. We will continue in our next class. Thank you and have a nice day.